All right, we live on my end.
Damn, my stuff messing up. Ugh, come on, don't mess with me like that. No, I'm fucking with you. I'm live, dog.
All right. I was about to say, bro.
Yeah, I'm being stupid, dog. I'm live as hell.
Yo, what is going on, Shill Squad? Welcome back to the Shill stream. I know your boy has been MIA when it comes to this content, but we not giving that part up and definitely been active in these crypto streets. I even been a little MIA in the chat, my own chat, man. I've been turning my back on my chat, man. Damn, bro. But you know what it is, man. We back here with the crypto cousins, the collabs. We continuing. Me and the homie Kenzie. What up, Kenzie?
Well, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on, crypto cousins? It's your Bitcoin baby daddy here. What another episode? But you know, I'll be live streaming with my boy Low Key, so that way he can steal my subscribers. You know how it goes, man. But
I see you
I mean,
catching up too.
no, I'm barely getting that though. But I just want to say shout out to Mama Bass. I'm gonna go Mama Bass. What's good, Mama Bass? Thank you for coming to the stream. Shout out to Chelsea, Michelle. Thank you for coming to the stream. What's up? What's up? What's up? But we try to do these every Sunday night. Me, Low Key, we break down what's going on in the crypto space. We talk about the hottest things. You know what I'm saying? And we might show some altcoin gems here and there. But it's the Shill stream, Crypto Cousins. We always bringing it through Sunday nights. You feel me?
Yeah, we missed it. We missed a couple Sundays. That's gonna happen here and there, but nonetheless, man. Whenever you watching this, whether you watching it live, whether you watching it on a replay, make sure you guys smash that like button on both sides. Make sure whether you on crypto culture or you on low key money, smash that like button. Definitely jump in the chat, get active. Let us know what information you want to see us cover, and let us know what projects. Because if we got enough time, we'll start looking at some alts as well. So y'all know what it is, man.
Oh yeah, big facts, big facts. Dang, I just forgot what I was about to say.
Shout out to personal
Yeah,
coach from Canada. We got a couple people jumping in the chat. What up,
yeah,
Plush? What up,
I,
Dean?
I feel like the notification was just sent out because people jumping in right now. 2 for 2. Hey, what's good, Red Snapper? How you doing, bro? Yeah, that 2 for 2 finally came through.
He says since we
Um,
shilling. Somebody said since we shilling.
oh God,
They already putting some projects in.
oh my God, they already shilling.
They
We
ready.
here we go. They
They
ready.
ready.
But I might as well start off all with what's the price? What's the carrying doing tonight? I mean,
Let's take a look.
y'all. Now the King right now sitting at 51,700. Man, we're sitting at 51,700 right now. Looking pretty solid. We have to break this overnight. Like we have to wake up tomorrow morning and be at like 54 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? For me to feel comfortable. Hey, what's good? Hey, Anthony. Hey, appreciate you coming through, man. Thank you for the tip. The what? 21 euros. I'm guessing those are euros. But what's up, brothers, my man? But yeah, like I was trying to say, I want to wake up tomorrow morning and be at 54. And I'll feel a little bit better. But as of right now, I'm not feeling really good. I feel like this is like y'all. If y'all can see, I'm pretty sure y'all can see the chart. And like this is right here at 51. We're looking pretty choppy. I'd say we chop between this and down here for the next couple of while for like maybe the next 2 to 3 weeks. I don't know, but I'm just worried. I think people are getting a little too excited. But then again, we have been bearish for a like all week. We've been bearish, so the fact that we're going up and people are still bearish, that's a good sign. And I got a couple of indicators and some tweets that I went through earlier that I want to share with you guys. But what you thinking about the price action right now, Loki?
I think as long as we pass $1,000 from here, like around 52.7, that was the last high point that we reached about a week ago, and it looked like we were kind of like bouncing off that area like another week before that, around like February 25th, and after that it's kind of easy gains right back up to all-time highs. So that's all I'm really looking for. As long as we can continue in this area, close sometime this week around 53, 53-ish, then it's game time again. Remember, we went into the 50s for like it wasn't really that long that we was really sitting in the 50s. It was only a couple days. So,
Yeah, we really weren't sitting in the 50s that long.
nah, it was after Elon Musk, you know what I mean? After he went crazy, it boosted us up into the 50s, and then it was just a couple days. And honestly, at the time, it looked like we was about to we was about to go, into this
To
little correction.
100K.
Nah, it looked like we was gonna have a quick little correction, and then he tweeted, and we went up like 20% stupid, and then everybody started getting laser eyes. You know what I mean? After that,
I saw a meme the other day. How did you sell at Laser Eyes? And I'm thinking to myself, God damn. Oh man, I'm never gonna be able to call the top because I wasn't even thinking about selling during Laser Eyes, bro. And I realized, dang, everybody was way too confident.
yeah, that's a
Way
fact.
too like I was like, dang. Even I put the Laser Eyes on the thing and I was like, dang. Yeah, they got me, bro. They got me, bro. I was in the
Yeah, we had like some little inverse head and shoulders situation that came through, so it looked like that's really like playing out, a little inverse head and shoulders. So
yeah, the
we
little
could really,
W.
yeah, we could really see like a really nice pump straight to right back to all time highs again, like pretty easily. So that's what I'm really hoping to see. Um, but I'm really good with the slow action on Bitcoin as long as we're not going down consistently. As long as we're moving sideways or upwards slowly, I'm good with that because that's when alts thrive. And y'all see what's
Oh,
going on with ETH
they
right
are
now.
they
ETH
they
is
are they thriving.
yeah,
Well, no,
ETH.
but ETH had a good pull yesterday, but then now Bitcoin just caught back up and it dragged it back down. But that's all because of the Jack Dorsey thing. I think that's the only reason, bro.
Well, it didn't drag ETH back down, maybe in dominance because ETH like 1738. That's Fetty Wap numbers right there. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's Fetty Wap numbers, my G. Like,
1738 in the dog. What? Thank God I do this stream, bro. I don't think anybody would have come up with that and understand that. Ain't nobody.
yeah. We see a Fetty
And
Wap
that boy,
numbers, G's.
and that boy hates him too. God damn it.
But yeah, it's definitely the highest it's been since I don't know, since around about 2 almost 3 weeks ago, February 23rd. So
Yeah.
ETH is having a nice bounce back, and obviously that has to do with somebody asked if there's going to be another dip. I think right now things are looking good. We never know at the end of the day if there's going to be another dip, and there's certain areas that I'm constantly paying attention to. With Bitcoin, we're like right above the area that I was paying attention to, which was 50,600. We're around 1,000 more than that, and I think once we get another 1,000, we're in like go mode. But I would be looking back at 50,000 levels for sure for Bitcoin. But with the news that we got yesterday or the other day with Jack Dorsey, with the NFT, I think that that's actually a big deal. And I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. So here's what I'm thinking with this whole thing. So we all know Jack Dorsey's Bitcoin bull. That's what he's really on. He don't really rock with no other projects. He hasn't really talked down on most of them, but he's just been like, I'm just focusing on Bitcoin for now. And that's been like that for like 2 years or so. Now, what I noticed, right? He's been rocking with Jay-Z pretty hard, right? Like lately, he's been rocking with Jay-Z. So last year there was some news that came out about some Jay-Z backed project. There was a couple people that were backing some project called Alchemy, and apparently Alchemy is something that's made for developers that backs a lot of projects on Ethereum, like Yearn Finance, like OpenSea, right?
Wait
NFT.
a second. Hey, drop that link in the chat. I want to see that website too.
Yeah,
Hey,
it's
drop
an
that link in the
API.
chat.
It's an API. Let me.
Really?
Yeah, so let me. I'm dropping the website in my chat, and then I'm gonna drop it in your chat right now.
Yeah, drop that. Drop that. Yeah, get that info. Dog. You should be able to drop links since you're a mod in this chat too. You should be.
Yeah. So let me see. Let
And
me
if you
go.
guys haven't, make sure you go on Low Key Money stream. We're both live streaming right now at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Support. Black business hustlers. It don't even matter that we're Black. Just support us because we be dropping gems and bombs. Got some new people in the chat. What's up, Jim? How you doing? Just found the channel. Appreciate you coming through the channel as always. Hourglass, I know you always coming through. Uni breaking top 10. Let's go,
Uni
bro.
going
Uni's going
crazy.
to 100. Uni's going to 100 this bull market. It's an
Uni is
easy
going
call, bro.
crazy,
It's an
bro.
easy call. Minimum 100, bro. Minimum. Are you kidding?
Somebody said Phil CME gap and then Moon. Honestly, I wonder if the CME gap is kind of like not even a thing anymore. It seems like it's not as important
Seems
as
like no one's talking about it.
yeah, because we done left some of them in the dust already. You know what I mean? We done left some of them in the dust. That one all the way down in like the 3,000 range or whatever. You gonna have some bears come out and be like, we still gotta close the CME gap. Like, you know what I mean? All the way back down there, bro. You know what I mean?
Hold up. Shout out to Jonah coming through. Shout out to Jose Riveras. I'm gonna say Riveras. Shout out coming through. Crypto Memphis was good, guys. Just want to shout out everybody coming through the chat saying what's up.
Nigel
So
said we the only YouTubers that will make a Fetty Wap joke.
the not making Fetty Wap joke when people understand.
Yeah, shout out to Red Snapper. Yeah, so to keep going with what I was saying, right? So, you know, Jack Dorsey and Jay-Z, they've been rocking lately. And Jay-Z apparently invested into this Alchemy API product that Yearn Finance is using, OpenSea is using, Shapeshift, The Graph, My Ether Wallet, 0x, Opera.
Yo, this is a gem for real.
So this is an API that people are using, right? And Jay-Z is one of the backers of this project right here. Even Kyber Network, all of it's that 70% of like the Ethereum blue chip projects are using this API. So now you see Jack Dorsey getting together with Jay-Z and actually buying majority ownership and title. And what Jack Dorsey was talking about with the whole title thing was talking about different ways of being able to get artists paid. Now, here's
hold up. Before you finish, one of my homeboys, Bit Native, he a dev. He's like, yeah, bro, this is a good link, bro. He'll just,
Nice.
and I respect him when it comes to the dev stuff. No, real talk. He's like, yeah, bro, this is a good link.
Okay, good.
You see,
So we in the right.
You won't see no YouTuber talking about this stuff right here whatsoever, bro.
Yeah, we getting into
Real
it.
gems, real
What
gems.
y'all thought? Low-key just hasn't been posted. He hasn't been caring. Like, nah, I'm out here. I'm still watching what's going on, man.
Right.
So y'all getting it on the live instead of a video instead. So Jack Dorsey was talking about artists. He really cares about artists and how to get paid and stuff like that. And I think probably what happened, right, was I know that Jack Dorsey looks at Bitcoin as the internet money that's probably for the whole globe, right? And I think that finally he's jumping out the window a little bit with Ethereum because it's not about money. It's not some other cryptocurrency that's just money. He's getting out there for digital art. You know what I mean? So when it comes to different types of items that have to do with blockchain, that's not necessarily just a currency, right? Now he's saying, okay, I like this. I like art on the blockchain. I like music on the blockchain. I like different kinds of utilities on the blockchain, but we already have money that's Bitcoin. This is my speculation. That's what I'm thinking. That's probably his thought process, because he likes Bitcoin as money on a blockchain. But when it comes to other items, he's starting to see the hype is growing. The value is there. And now he's throwing out his own NFT as a hint. Couple that with the fact that Jay-Z was a backer of this Alchemy API project, and the fact that they just got together with shout out to Carlos, man. Thank you very much for the $10 tip, man.
Same here, Carlos. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for
much appreciated, man. Much appreciated for sure. So now the fact that they came together and Jack Dorsey has majority ownership and title, and Jay-Z sitting on the board at Square, I think that they're
they're trying. You saw the moves they were making this week.
They're making power moves.
I saw the title acquisition. I saw the Jay-Z getting on the board.
He's on the board. Then they got the
big point. And then, bro, did you remember Everyday Struggle?
Yeah.
What's his name? He was when he was telling him about when he had like Anthony and Papiano come through talk about Bitcoin. Before he even had the conversation, he was talking about how, yeah, man, I was sitting there talking to Jay-Z about what was I gonna do with my podcast. Was I gonna go to this or was I gonna go to Cash App? And then I was telling Jay-Z how I was gonna take the Cash App deal, and Jay-Z looked at me and smiled and says, "Man, what you know about decentralized currency?" Bro, and he's telling that in the story. Right before
Oh, I don't think I seen that.
Yeah, bro. Right before he got pump on, he is telling that story. So the fact that Jay-Z's now making these moves in the Cash App, it was like almost like him spilling the news without him actually spilling the news.
Right. That's crazy.
And I was like, dang, bro. Yeah, bro, it's the moves. Like,
So
come
the
on
crazy
now.
thing is, so what most people might automatically think is that, okay, Jay-Z's on the board at Square and Square owns majority stake in Tidal. So Jay-Z's just going to be sitting there kind of helping him out with the direction for Tidal. No, he made it clear. He's going to be part of the, I forgot what their main payment system is, and for Cash App. Like, he's going to be on the board helping with everything. So I'm really interested to see where this whole partnership goes, and the fact that Jack Dorsey released the NFT. Was it officially him? He officially was the one that put the NFT.
He officially tweeted. Like, his tweet takes you to the sale of his NFT, like, right now.
Boom.
So
Boom.
yeah. So it's like it's official by him. There's what is there? But yeah, and I've got the link right here if you guys want the link to it. It's straight up all him.
Man, he need to stop playing. Put that joint on Cash App, man. What is he waiting
Bro,
for?
he knows
man?
he will. He knows. We know he will. We know he will.
I hope Jigga
Because
told him, like, yo, we got.
He's like, stop playing these.
He like,
That's
yo,
the moment
man,
saw
I done
him,
invested
it's
in
like
alchemy.
everybody. No, but no, and the thing is, when the whole alchemy thing, I don't think we can invest in that. Just to be 100, that there's no token for
Nah,
that.
I don't. There is.
Nah,
It's an API.
it's an API thing. So like, there's like, but that's infrastructure. That's crypto infrastructure.
Facts.
At the end of the day, we're the users using all these different products, but it's still the institutional big boys that are investing in the things that run the infrastructure for these products.
Yo, are you on that site right now?
Yeah, bro.
Yo, look at the name. Look at the name on the little dashboard thing that they got in the top right corner.
No, I don't see no. Hold up, I gotta put this big screen to see what you're talking about.
On the Alchemy, where it says,
What
front
tab?
end app, the very home joint where it got the little blue.
Jay, stop, bro. Stop. They got old boy. They got Jay-Z's name right. Well, it's not Jay-Z's name, but it said
Jay. It said Jay, man.
They know.
Yo, H Boogie, what up, man?
But yeah, but that's the thing I'm still getting pissed off at. That they still can, like, I want to. This sounds more interesting than a lot of stuff in crypto. Like,
right.
you run it. Like, it doesn't matter what happens to these things. You're still going to be the API that they all got to use and pay for. Man, I want to invest in this.
Right.
I want this. But no, you can't. You can't. Not yet. They're not public or whatever.
And I ain't gonna qualify for this airdrop because I don't know how to use this type of platform.
No, because the thing is not something that we're. Like, it's APIs, bro.
Yeah.
It's like communication on the internet without, like, it's the way that information is communicated on the internet. It's almost like instantaneously, where nobody can hack from the information going from one point to the other. Like, it's just like that.
Right. Yeah, I'm seeing some of the different projects. It says the on-chain transaction volume is $15 billion. End users is 4 million people using it. They got stuff like DYDX, Aave, Circle, all these huge projects that's built on Ethereum.
All of this stuff. Man, yeah. I want to invest in this and I can't. This is what I want. I'd rather invest in this. Yo, but at least y'all know where the truth is.
Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at, and I've been looking at this this V.Cent thing, and I'm just seeing a bunch of trash, little tweets that people are buying. Like, what? Who cares about most of these?
But yeah, so this V.Cent, and of course you got the maximalist all in the comments talking trash because he's promoting something that's other than Bitcoin. But you take it, you connect your Twitter account to it. Once you connect your Twitter account to it, you gotta have MetaMask. And of course, if you don't know what MetaMask is, guys, just leave in the chat if you don't know what MetaMask is. I got a link to a video where I talk about how to set up a MetaMask and what it's used for. But you'd have to have MetaMask, and then you can make an offer. You can make a bet. Let me see if I. Well, yeah. Oh, you must
Man,
raise an offer at least. Oh, no, I'm good.
let me get one. I need one of these beeples, man. What's
These
up with one of
peoples.
these beeples? Yeah.
Yo, you want to know the funny thing is? This was created like way back, like December 5th. Like this was been plotted, bro. This was been planned. Look at the first offer, which was $1 on December 15th. I don't know if you're on the VSET tweet page.
How do I go back to there? To
Um, I put a link in my chat, and then I'm gonna put a link in your
I
chat
got
right now.
okay. This greatest. Yo, this Jack Dorsey joint going for a quarter.
No, just look at the old original
Nah,
one.
I was just blown away. Like I just, bro, a quarter mil.
Oh,
This thing is going
a
for.
what, that's not a quarter
No,
mil, nigga.
that's
That's
two
two.
point five.
Yeah, that's 2.5 mil. What are you talking about?
Oh my
That's
goodness.
Jack Dorsey's original tweet. Uh, minted it on the blockchain as an NFT forever on the Matic. And then I remember I had to look it up because somebody told me it wasn't on the Matic blockchain. But I'm like, no, it's on the Matic blockchain, which meaning that's probably one of the reasons why Matic's probably pumping right now. Because people are like, oh my God, this is on Poly Network, Poly, whatever they're calling themselves right now. And boom,
Oh, the
it's just like
Polygon.
that. Polygon. They call themselves Polygon. But yes, but it's on the Matic network, bro. And I can literally click on it, boom, and it takes me to the network and it shows me the transactions that have been happening on it. Even though this is just a carbon copy of XDAI, but you know, I'm not tripping, man. Wherever the funds is flowing, the funds is flowing, bro. But 2.5 mil. What's good, King? What's good, Freddie A? Malcolm Rex? What's good, Scotty P? What's good, Carlos? Um, Everybody just coming through. Yeah, what's good, Sergeant Crypto? Appreciate you. Yeah, I can just have conversations in the chat while we over here having conversations on the screen.
So you can
If
only
you want
put
to,
these up if my bad, bro.
no, you're good, you're good. But you
You
seen you see the first offer though, right? The first offer was on December. I put the link in your chat
I
already, but
clicked it and I didn't see it. But what when was it?
it was December 15th, 2020 was the first offer, which was $1. And then
Gotcha.
so I'm like, oh,
Dang.
so this was Ben's, like, think about it. He just tweeted about this, and this has been out since last year, since before the little mini bull we had January and February.
Right. Right.
That's funny, bro.
Yo, so what's up, man? You got some stories or you got some alts for the boys?
Well, some stories. Well, I was looking at this money movers info, and I'll drop that in your. I just dropped that right here for you guys to see. Pop that in the chat for you guys as well.
I could go to yours too.
And I was just looking at this money movers info. What blockchain settling more value? And you know, this is created by devs in the crypto community space, so take it with a grain of salt. Where this info coming from? But it says data updates at mid-time UTC from Coin Metrics transferred USD by blah, blah. So it tells you all the information where it's all the here's some other crypto. They've created crypto.fees as well, and they created Ethereum nodes as well. 1inch, of course, 1inch got their ETH node down. Poor things. But it was just showing how people were talking about Ethereum is not money, and you know, from whatever metric you want to use, the definition of money. But right now, more money is being settled on the Ethereum network than it is the Bitcoin network. You know what I'm saying? So when the people are saying Ethereum isn't money, it's kind of hard for me not to believe that Ethereum is money when I was just on a live stream with Crypto Blood, and he was talking about anytime he has promoters coming to him talking about they want to promote their product on his channel, whatever, um, he gets paid in ETH, like straight up. And then I was remember somebody else talking about how ETH is so bullish because all the influencers, all the YouTube influencers, all the Twitter influencers, all of them take ETH. All of them want ETH.
That's a
Sometimes
fact.
they want ETH over Bitcoin. Just straight up because they know that they're gonna spend the ETH. They know that if they get the Bitcoin, they're gonna hodl it because they don't want to move it. But the ETH, they know they can do something with it. They can spend it. Just like how we're always wanting to spend money, they can spend the ETH and do something with it. So that I think that's why people are saying ETH has like a really long legs this bull market, and I truly believe that too.
Bro,
But I
what
guess
about EIP 1559
yeah,
going
yeah,
live in July, bro?
man, that is, bro. I don't know if it's coming in July, dog. I don't know if it's coming in July.
This is not
bro.
an ETH 2.0 thing. This is EIP 1559. That's not no 2.0 thing right there. That's gonna happen. That's like when we had the Constantinople or whatever and all of that. That's
Yeah,
one of those
so
type of.
we're having it's a hard fork essentially to help with the upgrade of things are going. So now here's the thing: if we have that coming in July, why is everybody so hype about second layer solutions now?
Because it's expensive now. We still got like 3-4 months before July, bro. You think these gains is not trying to go down? Like, and honestly, I don't think it's gonna like fully solve gas issues, but it's gonna significantly help it. So
gas issues.
yeah.
Hey, John Hawkins, thank you for the tip, man. Thank you for the $5. Appreciate it. Of course.
Okay, Harris Milan said, how ironic. So he said they want ETH because they themselves are not educated on crypto, and then he says ETH has no supply cap. So very interesting that you put
We
that
know
out
that.
there. Yeah, I think that they definitely know that, but how it's very interesting that you say that because this upgrade that's scheduled for July right now is going to make ETH deflationary. So the supply cap, bro, it's going to be going down. It's going to be coins are going to be burned. It's going to have a bigger scarcity, or it's going to have more scarcity than Bitcoin at a certain point. Not in terms of how many exist versus how many exist, but how many are being added to the market. Yeah, it's going to become more scarce than Bitcoin. I
How
know
much is added to the
maximalists don't want to
market
hear
versus
that.
yeah, it's weird the economics of how it's gonna work. Essentially, less ETH is gonna be printed on the market versus the amount that's being burned and then used and then mined and then given to the validators and whatnot. But my thing is with this, like, and I know this is probably going more into the technicals of how ETH works, but how does this lower gas fees? Like, does it just make the gas fees a one fee thing? Like, it makes a gas fees like a one standard where everybody can accept it, and then the miners are just gonna have to deal with that one standard of the gas fee price. Because right now the model is you pay more gas, the miners push your transaction through faster.
Yeah, it's something along those lines actually. But you're still gonna be able to get your transactions prioritized through tipping. But there is gonna be like some standard gas rate that's not the same as how it works today. I wouldn't be able to bust that down, for you the way that I've been able to take it in. But yeah, there's gonna be some base gas fee.
MG Tao saying miners get paid with a higher ETH price instead of the transaction fees because the price of ETH is going to be higher as these things start happening. So even though they're still getting a standard amount, the price of ETH is going up.
That's the hopes, is that more people will continue to use ETH because of it, so they'll be processing more transactions. But a lot of them are like, do you see how much transactions we're processing? Like, a lot of them are like, bro, where do you see how much money we're processing? Like, we getting it right now, bro. Like, we don't need to change this. Like, but
Carlos in the chat talking about the miners got theirs, man. Bring on proof of stake.
yeah,
He's like,
for real.
miners good and fat, bro. Don't worry about them, man. Bring
For real.
proof of stake because it's a fight, bro. It's a fight.
But overall, it does help Ethereum long term. So I'm glad that they came to a conclusion, and hopefully that upgrade gets us back to at least like like $3, $5 fees. Like I could deal with those.
Nah,
I
I
could
can
deal
deal
with
with like
those.
I could deal with like to do a transaction or to like so $10 fee to do what?
A Uniswap transaction, bro, not no sending.
Okay, so $10 fee to do a Uniswap transaction.
And I
That
still don't
kind of
want 10. I want like
that
$3 to $5, bro.
yeah, but that's how do I put it? Back in the day, I'd say like maybe 10 years ago, brokerage accounts, $10 a trade was like the average. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So even though we're still moving backwards when it comes to like crypto in that sense, I'm okay with doing that if I have the freedom to be able to do this decentralized and move like in that manner. I'll pay the $10 fee. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
and I look at it as temporary
And
until
better than
ETH too,
$56 gas fees, bro. Yeah, and it's
bro.
better than 50. Like
Yes.
we're gonna be talking about this in the future. Man, you remember when them gas fees was $100? We were really paying for this stuff. What were we thinking? Because we're gonna just get to a point where the fees ain't really gonna be hitting like that.
It's Harris.
10?
Yo,
No, you
Harris, are you against ETH or something, man? Like July means next year October for ETH devs.
$10, you wilding out. F that. How about $1 to $3? F those, bro. These people really don't like the miners in here, bro.
He said
They
I'm a
don't.
hater. This dude's an ETH hater. All right, hey,
Hey,
whatever, man. To each his own, man. I'm all the way big time ETH fan, but I rock with the second layers or the bridges and stuff like that. So I rock with Binance Smart Chain. I took a look at yeah, I know you don't rock with them, but that's where the money at, man. You rocking with XDAI. Ain't no money on XDAI, bro. Let's
ain't no
let's be
money on
real.
XDAI. You right. You right. Ain't nobody jumping to XDAI doing
I've
even
checked out
people doing
XDAI.
that.
I've checked out XDAI and
You
tried to
right.
do
But
some
look,
research and find some gems. It's slow. It's slow
it's
for
slow,
that,
bro.
bro.
It's slow. It's slow as hell. But y'all know y'all gotta go to BNB. Y'all gotta go to low key for the BNB talk.
Yeah, and I'm not every day BNB Poppy putting out stuff every
Nah,
day,
but
but
you more decentralized than I am because I'm over here saying no, and you over here talking about decentralized. I don't care what you talking about. I'm gonna try it all.
oh yeah, I'm trying it all. I'm waiting for Telos to drop they got their EVM coming this month, so I'm gonna try that out too. I tried to get on that ZK, what is that thing called? ZK swap? Yeah, nah, it wasn't really hitting for me like that. But I tried them all out, man. You know me. I'm try Tron. I try EOS, Telos, IOST, Ethereum. I done sent money on Bitcoin Cash once in my life. I done, you know what I mean? Like I try everything, bro. I done tried Nano, Litecoin. I'm on it. I'm on it. Dash. I was rocking with Dash, Monero, all of them. Zcash, all of them.
Yeah, but I remember when I first found your channel, I'm like, man, he's actually trying all the other stuff. Why? You know, trying though.
Oh
Um,
man. Yeah,
man,
Avalanche
but
looks good, but it's the same thing with XDAI. I haven't seen much going on over there. I think XDAI has probably one of the best opportunities aside from Matic, but I haven't seen anything going on
but
Avalanche.
my thing is like, so right now with Avalanche, right? So if I what is it, AVX, right? It's sitting
AVAX,
at AVAX. It's sitting at number 43. How long have they been operating?
bro. This is
Like
what I don't
how
like
long
about crypto. Like
like
I,
how long have they been around,
how are
bro?
they number 43, bro? Like
Bro,
I'm cool with
how long
that.
has they token been like they token been out for not even a year? Their token hasn't even been out a year, and they're 43.
That's what
And
happens when you have
they
like
don't even
private
have
investors. That's what happens
and
when you
I'm
have private investors.
I'm saying, and XDAI hasn't been out a year, but it's just about hitting about its year, being around, and it's not, it's sitting at freaking, what is it sitting at 263? You get what I'm saying? Well, it was good everything currency, and my dog over there, I see you, bro. What's up? Appreciate the 5, man. Yeah, we got to do it like a StreamYard. I was just on the StreamYard, but no, but back to what I'm saying. But yeah, even XDI is sitting at two. Like, imagine if XDI was sitting at 43 right now. Do you know the level of market cap? Do you know the price it would be? And it has more stuff
Jeez.
built on it than Avalanche. Has more stuff built on it than Matic. But it's still, and it goes to show you, it's not about. It's all about a popularity contest in crypto. You could have the best working product out. It don't matter. Do you have the hype behind it?
I ain't gonna lie though. The reason XDAI is not worth more money right now is because they use DAI tokens as their gas fees. I don't know why they didn't just go ahead and make it the XDAI token instead of DAI tokens. If they would have did that, it would be way higher, bro. Like, why would you do that? The XDAI token strictly for governance, like, bro. Nobody's looking for a stable coin to be your gas coin. We want that to gain value. You know what I'm saying? We want ETH to gain value. You know, paying transactions in ETH, or even if you have to stake, you know, another coin to get transaction resources, just that's what we want to gain value. So the fact that they're using DAI tokens is probably what's preventing it from really growing like that.
Random comment in the big E32 talking about Uni pumping right now to $34. I was talking about it yesterday. How it broke top 10 yesterday on yesterday's stream. Blah, I'm over here stuttering. And their airdrop right now. Airdrop right now. Your $400 airdrop's worth $13,500. Your free 400.
You know how many times I double check wallets, bro? I'm still checking wallets. Yo.
People had multiple wallets with easy money. Yo, I ain't even for the lie. I did sell half my bag, and then I started dollar cost averaging down, and so I didn't get all my 400 back, but God, bro, easy money. And to think about it, bro. At the time, we didn't really need the money.
Nah.
When this airdrop happened, we didn't need the money. It wasn't. We could have just held on to it, and just like how we do all of these other nonsense tokens, bro.
H Boogie said, "Oh, first and foremost, Sandman's been talking about on AVAX. There's some PNG token, Pangolian. I think that's like a Uniswap type platform. There's an airdrop, so you know, go check it out if you rock with AVAX. We're talking airdrops right now. Go get that if you know what I mean. That's free money. I don't care what platform it is, bro. Go get that free bag. You know what I'm saying? It could be BitConnect got a new coin. They got a new coin. Go get it. It's a free airdrop. Sell it. You know what I mean? So."
Hey.
And then shout out to H Boogie. He asked about ganja. We gonna try to look that up in a minute.
Hey, Hourglass. Hey, shout out to Hourglass. I'm gonna let you know right now. Don't sell that uni bag until you start seeing it on CNBC. When you start seeing CNBC talking about Uniswap,
boy,
that's when you sell that bag, bro. That's when you when they teaching people how to use MetaMask, bro. Sell the
everything.
bag.
Don't sell that, bro. Sell everything, bro. What are you talking about? Like, bro.
when I'm seeing Yahoo Finance talk about this is how you create a MetaMask account, I'm done. I'm gone.
Oh no.
Hit it.
Goodness gracious, bro.
That's when you know it's over, bro. It's over. They shutting it down. They letting your grandpa, grandma in.
Yo, but I'm sorry. I don't care how anybody feels with this. What I'm about to say. I just don't like seeing Cardano at number 3 without any live smart contracts, bro.
Oh yeah. Hey, call me an 88 hater, bro. I'll be an 88 hater, bro.
Don't care.
But
yeah.
Cardano, number 3.
It just bothers me that they don't have products running on their platform. You know, I'm okay with them being valuable, and I'm okay with them in the future maybe gaining that. But just the fact that it's not live right now and it's number 3, it boggles me, bro.
And it's gonna go higher. And it's gonna go higher. And that's scary.
That's what scares me, bro.
Scares me, bro, because it's gonna go higher eventually. because think about it, it's number 3, and it's goddamn, well now it's $1, whatever, but it's number 3. Say that it goes to, what does it have to do to double? It has to double its market cap to double in price. So to double that market cap of what, 37 billion to 67 billion, people are gonna say, oh, it's number 3 and it's only $2. I gotta get me some of them. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't be shocked if Binance doesn't do like what do they call it, a stock split?
Well, Binance burns coins, so
yeah. Even though they burn coins, they've been burning coins from the beginning, bro.
Yeah.
But like, looking at the top 10, the cheapest thing on the top 10 right now is XRP, and it's always going to be XRP because of the way XRP is. But the second next cheapest thing, Tether, which is $1. But
damn, that's so crazy. In this bull run, how is XRP worth less than a Tether, bro? Like, this is not good. This is no good, man. Bro, last bull run, XRP was like $3 or something like that, bro. Damn. You know what I'm saying?
And so you got that, and then the third highest thing is gonna be Cardano. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be a couple of dollars, so people are gonna think it's a blue chip. Man, I'm good. At the end of the day, I'm pretty sure people stacking up Cardano. People are stacking it up to use the smart contracts, whatever. I just need a project out. Once I start seeing devs actually leave, I'll leave with the devs. That's what I'm gonna do. When I start seeing devs take away their .eth and put .ada, all right, I'm gone, y'all. Look, I done seen the wave moving.
Hey, you know me. I'm trying it out. You know what I'm saying? Once they got projects, you know I'm gonna have my 88 wallet. I'm going crazy. I'm connecting. I'm swapping. I'm doing all of that stuff. But I can't do that right now, and that's what bothers me. The fact that it's number 3 and I can't even do that. Then you got a project like, all right, I understand that Binance, both their blockchains are centralized, but just thinking about it from just an economic standpoint, you got Binance, one of the biggest exchanges in the world for cryptocurrency, and it has a utility. Their coin has a utility on their platform, right, to get you discounts. Then you have the Binance chain, right? Not Binance Smart Chain. You have the Binance chain, which was already like a launch pad and stuff like that for certain projects out there. Now you got Binance Smart Chain, which is like Ethereum. They got everything going on like Ethereum. And Cardano's above that. That just makes no sense to me, bro. I'm sorry. It doesn't make no sense to me. Somebody mentioned, Polkadot's not live either. At least with Polkadot, you got Kusama, that, kind of like a test environment. Isn't that how Kusama works? It's kind of like a live test environment for what Polkadot is doing.
Yeah. That's what Kusama is.
Like you can actually run contracts on there, right?
Yeah, so that's what Kusama is, but bruh, sorry, somebody just put this in the chat. This Smartland SLT. Nah, bro, this ain't it, dog.
All right, I ain't even worried about
that. This ain't it, bruh. This has been I see what they're trying to do. They've been around since 2018. They talking about regulated tokenized assets. It pumped recently. Yes, it's shown up just pump, but all of its volume is on Whitebit and Stellar Term. Nah, bro, this ain't it, bro.
Sam said, I'm beginning to think most people don't care about centralization.
Not this wave. Most people don't even know what centralization is.
Right.
They don't even know why they're buying Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Right. All they know is that the price is going up. Right. I'm buying some more.
You know who it's very important to that need to care about centralization is the devs. Those are the guys that you want them to care about it, because then they're going to continue to build on decentralized platforms and users will just use products. That's all. Users just want to use products. They just want to make gains. But as long as the developers are aware of which platforms are decentralized and building on there, then we should be good to go. That's the way I look at it.
Yeah, just going back to the whole centralization, decentralization. People don't care about decentralization until the bear market. Remember that. If you stick around long enough in the crypto, People don't care about decentralization. People don't care about the technology until it's a bear market. I don't know if I was just talking about this before or when I was with Crypto Blood on his live stream. Bro, I've been watching devs on like hardcore like devs. They talk about the technology all throughout Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Soon as Bitcoin price started going up, these devs talking about prices now. These devs are technical analysts
Sheesh, bro.
now.
You ain't even
Bro,
lying, bro.
bro, think about it. Like, there ain't no one talking about well, there's people talking, but these hardcore people that were talking about the technology are now, oh, look at the price, look at the price, look at the price now. Because it's a bull market. And that's all that matters right now. We'll worry about the technology when the brand market comes back and everybody leaves and we're all good and safe, bro. And we're all depressed and everybody has to remember why they're here. But bro, that's
You ain't
all that's
even
gonna
lying,
happen.
bro. You ain't even lying,
we,
man.
we just went through it, bro. Just what is it? Just sorry, I'm over here stuttering and stuff. I'm dropping this little link in the chat for everybody. I'm putting it in your chat right now. But it's pretty much people out here. Of course, another Twitter influencer just following their information that they're getting off of Glassnode or whatnot. But this support is holding nicely and it got a little bit stronger. We have a wall at 1.2 million. BTC moved on chain between 46K to about 48K. That's about 6% of the circulating supply. I'm surprised we go lower anytime soon. As long as we stay above 50K, we're long. So, you know, like I said, guys, it's crypto, bro. Everything's on the blockchain. Everything's on the ledger. You can read it all. And now you have, of course, companies like Glassnode who give out indicators because they got the software to read the blockchain in a way that they can produce this information for us. And there's multiple places like other than Glassnode. Of course, you know, Willy Woo's has, you know, some analytics as well over a time period as well. But I just wanted to make sure to bring that to you. I also have a tweet here from Sentiment. They got a pretty good, I guess, how do I put it? A lot of their indicators are off of sentiment, so off of like number of tweets or this and that, or like the amount of information going through Google searches, this like all those kind of. So they call themselves sentiment, but it's more like sentiment, people's sentiment across the crypto space. And you know they use Reddit as well. They feed off the Reddits. And what was it? In spite of Bitcoin hovering over 46 to 52K the past week, the sentiment on Twitter is at mostly bearish levels. And we've hit the most bearish level since October 1st, 2020. So it's crazy to see how bearish we are right now, but how bullish the price is looking. And when everybody's like, they really be telling it like when
It didn't even
everybody's
feel
bearish,
that bad. This didn't even feel very bad. It felt so normal, bro. Like,
yeah, but I'm not gonna lie. When of course I remember when I was at your house and you know we were talking about you know the monies and everything, and then you know the laser eyes, and that was literally the weekend before laser eyes.
yeah, you ain't even lying. Yeah.
And then we were just talking, and I was just talking to you, and I was telling you, you know, whatever gains. And then what happened? What happened that Monday that came through, that Tuesday that came through? Whoosh!
Yeah,
40%
I was on the sidelines. I was stabled up, like.
But no, I was
Gonna
stable
be a
up,
player.
chilling in stable coins, and I'm over there watching the portfolio get destroyed. I'm like, oh wow! So that's what 40% looks like with this portfolio now. That hurts.
Sheesh,
That
bro.
hurts. And so, but even throughout that, of that 40%, we're already back up 20% when it comes to like altcoins and whatnot.
Right.
So, and then of course, you know me, I'm doing the whole trade a quick altcoin to create a little bag and then just accumulate as much ETH and Bitcoin as possible. But doing that, the portfolio itself is just not dropping as much and continuing to go up. So even though I lost that 40%, half of that is slowly already coming back. So I'm like, all right, so just keep doing the play, accumulate, hodl through it, because we're still barely halfway through this bull market, if that. You know,
Ooh,
we're
talk
halfway
that talk.
through, bro. We're halfway through. Like that's pulling up this indicator. This is what we bull charts. I'm dropping in bread chat right now. And right now, what is this? What is this? Bitcoin price model from Willy Woo. He's a real big Bitcoin bull. And this price model right here, I believe, I don't think this one has the. There are different Bitcoin price models attached to this one, so you can see like there's all these different lines. So like the green one is like it predicts Bitcoin's tops. This orange one essentially predicts Bitcoin bottom, like orange, but this is what purple. Purple one predicts Bitcoin's bottoms. Realized is like the realized price of Bitcoin. But the real one that you really need to care about is the green one and the purple one. And of course, I know this looks like the stock to flow model that everybody's seen. This also looks like the logarithmic curve that everybody sees. But that's the thing. Like, we need these things to confirm our biases of like where we think we're gonna top out at. And I'm telling you, when we get like, I'm promising you, I'm gonna be showing these things like when we get to when these indicators start showing us that we're, hey y'all, we in the green. I'm gonna be there. I'm making the video. Look, guys, all these indicators that we've been looking at for the past year and a half are all saying we need to be selling right now. So I'm gonna let you make your decision on what we gonna do. But I've been hodling for too long not to take these games. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna trust it.
My man Lone Sigma said he made so much gains that 1% movement is like a paycheck. Stressful in a downtrend, bro.
Bruh, a 10% move. And I'm not gonna, because you can do real easy math off of 10%.
Yeah.
But like if I say a 10% move made me move $10,000, nigga, you got $100,000. What you talking about?
Right.
You know, but a 10% move, bro. I'm
Nah,
like
10% move is vicious, bro. I ain't gonna lie. 10% is vicious, bro. It's vicious.
Like I can't, bro. It hurts too much. And I just like, don't look at it. Just don't look at it. Just go do something, bro. Just go to work. Go to work, bro.
Yeah.
That's when the overtime doesn't feel bad.
Right. You're like, I'm working OT, bro. I don't even want to go home.
Today. I got to.
You know what's crazy is that I've been working a lot lately, so I actually get up in the morning, like a little extra early, and I be catching little plays in the morning time, bro. Like I'm talking like 4:30 a.m. going to 5 a.m.,
gas
bro.
fees are super low. Gas fees are stupid low. No one's on there.
That's a little secret right there, man, for real. And these little gems just be popping out, and I be getting to go first. Like, oh, okay, I know about this before you. You know what I mean? Like before anybody.
But that's the game. You gotta know it. Gotta know it before everybody else. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It just gotta work that way.
Whew, he said that loss dropped him 20K. Oh boy, panic attack. What up, Bandadash? Yeah, so what's up, man? We looking at any alts, man? I want to see what y'all looking at, man. What you looking at lately?
Bro, my people been dropping alts in the chat this whole time. I just been popping it on the side for them every time they call it out or something.
So what happened with Paid, man? Paid Network,
man, rug pull. That's what happened. And even though they say it's not a rug pull, the way that it happened, it can only be a rug pull. That's the thing.
Word.
Like, yeah, like people like be like, you don't think these devs is gonna call you out for like how your shit works? Like, bro, literally these devs go in, they look at the contract, they're talking about, we had it was a hack. No, bruh. The way this contract works and the way that contract works, since you're using a proxy, because your smart contract works in a proxy, that means only you and the dev team could have done this. So you guys rug pulled.
Damn.
Bruh, devs is gonna call you out on your stuff. Don't even try it.
Exposed, bro.
Bruh, expose them. But that's the thing. It's called what? Self-regulation. That's what it is. They gonna snitch on each other because they trying to make sure the space is clean.
Nah, I'm all for it. Yeah, I
You
mean,
know
I
what I'm
ain't for the
saying?
snitching, but in general, like you
But
gonna rug pull
snitch.
people.
You know what I'm saying? If you rug pulling people, hey, we're gonna
Yeah,
have to call that out and get out of here because
yeah, that's a fact.
either we self regulate or they come in and regulate us.
Yeah, that's a
That's
fact.
just the fact. That's all it is, bro.
Somebody talk about shadows. That was one that I was definitely there you go. That I was rocking with. Is this the one that I was? Is this the polka dot? So here, let me. You want to know something I've been noticing, bro? So these synthetic asset platforms, yeah, they be having a little pop off real quick, the new ones and stuff, you know. So you got like Shadows that's supposed to be on Polkadot, and you know, you had like Lena that's on Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. You got obviously synthetics, but I feel like the reason synthetics hasn't been popping off lately is because people don't really care about a lot of these synthetic assets. Like they don't really care about buying
No,
Apple
ain't no one.
stocks and Tesla stocks on Ethereum, especially with the fees that's going on. So, I mean, I do think long term, like long term, they're gonna have value, but people don't really care right now. They want crypto, bro. Like people are
No,
okay with
here's
crypto
my
just
thing.
being crypto.
I think synthetics is gonna pop off in the bear market. I think as long as the liquidity doesn't dry up, as long as there's no liquidity crash, if synthetics can provide products that are going up in our bear market, then yeah. Like I think this bear market is going to be real different type of bear market
Yeah,
because
definitely.
there's going to be options for us instead of just holding on to these cryptos
You
as long
could
as these
short, you could make
oh,
put options because now they got like options trading on these joints. You could get inverse. You know, it's
you get
crazy,
inverse
bro.
tokens, but as long as these things hold up,
Right.
hold on.
Somebody save him, bro.
Nah, but no, but as long as these things hold up, because a lot of this stuff is based off of synthetic dollars, synthetic stable coins, DAI, USDC. Um, Mess around, and next thing you know, the next bear market comes, and all of a sudden USDC can't hold its peg. All of a sudden, it happened with Tether multiple times during the bear market, and they still hear like nothing. But you know what I'm saying. But if
Yeah.
USDC loses its peg too much, people can get liquidated on their because that's what happened with DAI. DAI lost its peg a little bit, and people got leveraged out of their maker loans and stuff
Yeah.
like that.
Terrible. That was an ugly situation.
So that's what I'm saying. Like you don't want something like that to happen when you could have just been holding on to the stable coin, but instead put it in this smart contract, and now that bit evaporated, gone.
Right.
So
Somebody
you
asked
just
me
gotta be careful.
if I think that NFTs are a bubble in the making. Yeah, I think that NFTs definitely gonna have long term value, but I think it's just gonna have a hype cycle. I don't know if it's necessarily a bubble, because I feel like in about 2 weeks it's not even gonna be that serious anymore. Like I think it's just gonna be a quick hype cycle, but they're gonna be here to stay. They're NFTs. It's digital art. It's ownership of non fungible assets, and it's gonna be able to go to all these different markets, whether it's gaming, whether it's ownership in like real estate or titles and things of that nature, or just digital art or music content. Like it's gonna be here to stay, but it's just not gonna have the same hype moving forward. More than likely, it's just gonna become a tool. So that's what I think. And if anything, is NFTs the hype? No, is art. Art is the bubble right now. Like, you know.
Yeah, the art version of NFTs. I had a full blown argument with somebody, and on Bloods. Like I said, I just did the live stream before that. Full blown argument with this dude talking about NFTs are valuable and blah 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 blah. And I'm like, bro, when the bear market comes, NFTs gonna crash before us. Shut up, bro. Like, no, they NFTs are gonna decouple from crypto. Man, NFTs are crypto. What are you talking about?
Oh
No,
my
they're not gonna
god,
decouple
bro.
from no crypto. I'm like, look, when everything, I mean, granted, maybe the value of the NFT may not crash. You know what I'm saying? If you buy an NFT, like the Twitter NFT, he's gonna pay 25 million for it. Well, he's gonna have to find somebody, not 25 million, 2,500,000, but he's gonna have to find somebody to pay $2,500,000 for it. But just because we're in a bear market, that doesn't mean that thing's not
Hey,
worth $2,500,000.
yeah,
He just gotta
everything
sell it
currency
for two
said
million.
hella gonna crash, bro. That shit gonna crash, bro. Like
It don't be
everything, bro. The only thing that's not gonna crash in crypto, even these sometimes, to be completely honest, but the only thing that's not gonna crash is the inverse coins, bro. That's it. But it
that's
be
if they
so,
work.
the
That's if
bear
they be
market be
working.
so bad, bro. Like people don't understand how savage the bear market is. Where what you think is gonna work, like an inverse coin, might not work the way you need it to because of the decentralized nature of it. They got pools, they got this liquidity tied to it, and then the
Bro, there's
liquidity
gonna be so
pairs
many
aren't
fail.
holding. Bro, it
Bro,
just
so many things are gonna fail.
y'all
So
don't
many
even know
things are
what the
gonna.
savage is like, bro.
Everyone's gonna be thinking, "Oh, I'm gonna be safe right here because I'm just gonna short it." All right, say less.
Right.
Say less. All right, we'll see. Thank you, Kuru. Thank you, Kuru, for the $5 tip. What all coins y'all eyeing this week? Um, well, we getting into it right now. I'll tell you what I'm eyeing in a second. Um, but somebody just put this right here in the chat. It looks like Oxygen DeFi. It looks like they're having the IEO/IDO. Um, from what I'm looking at, this guys looks like it's gonna be something that's gonna pop out real quick. Looks like it's gonna be these are the different exchanges that they're gonna have their initial DEX offering, initial exchange offering, and whatnot. Because that's what things are. So when it comes to things like this, when I've seen things go like on centralized exchanges as well as decentralized exchanges all at the same time, there's initially a dump because eventually somebody did get some tokens early, and then you pretty much try to look for the price floor from there, and then get into it. But it looks cool. But it looks cool. It's supposed to be like a cross chain wallet where you can just use one wallet and go through different multiple blockchains. I
That looks
like the
pretty cool.
idea. I'm just waiting for one to catch traction. You know what I'm saying? I'm waiting for one to catch because at the end of the day, we're so early to this crypto thing that even if I don't catch it like day one, I'm catching it before the people who are going to come in when CNBC talking about Uniswap. I'm gonna catch it before them, and they're gonna whatever pump my bags. But that's how I feel about it. I'm gonna keep that one up though, since it's a probable IEO that a person could get into. Um, Now a coin that I've been looking into a little bit even more, and I told you guys multiple times if you've been watching the stream that I actually have a bag of this, so that's why I don't feel like I don't want to shill it too much. But I actually got like this. This is this Alchemix. It's something that's built on the Yearn ecosystem and whatnot.
What's the ticker? I'm trying to pull it up over here too.
It's ALCX. And so just to make it like very, very simple,
Oh, he got
um
money. He got money. My bad. My bad.
he's stupid, bro. But nah, but I'll be transparent with people, bro. I got in like around $400 straight up. My first
Nice.
position, I got in at $400. I sold half of it when it hit like 100 ish, and then I just been holding the other half, and the other half is holding up pretty nicely. Like I saw when it first did this first dump back down to 800, second dump back down to 900, and now it does another dump back down to 1,000. So it's holding up pretty well. It's in the $37 million market cap. It's only on Sushi Swap. You can probably get it on 0x, but it's not on Uniswap, or at least the pair doesn't have enough liquidity to show up on Uniswap. Um, and yeah, the reason why I got into this project was because, what's his name, Yearn.
Andre Cronje or
He
Cronje or
tweeted,
whatever.
yeah, he tweeted about it. It looked interesting to me because it wasn't really like super hyped, and then I FOMO'd in on it. But what it is, it's essentially, you know how you borrow, essentially do the whole maker thing. You borrow collateral and whatnot, but you have to pay that collateral back. Well, what if you didn't have to pay the collateral back? What if the collateral paid itself back over time? So
Mmm.
it's yeah, so that's how it's working. It's like you use the collateral on their platform, but because it's connecting to Yearn's V2 vaults, um because it's connected to Yearn V2 Vault, it can do this process and where it can pay your collateral back over time to where you can borrow more synthetic assets over time, which is it's pretty cool. I was like, well, I was trying to play with it, but I was like, let me not, play with too much about this. Because I was like, because I've a lot of buggy stuff has been happening on the Yearn infrastructure ecosystem type stuff. Hacks have been happening over there and whatnot. So I haven't been too deep into it because, yeah.
So everything currency had mentioned Luxo. I know a lot of people are on Luxo, and everything currency. He's big baller out here. So he,
Oh, you know he is.
you know, we
Yo,
seen
you're
the Omi
crazy.
call. We seen the
Bro,
Omi call.
I saw that Omi call.
Me and Kenzie was looking at the Omi call, my friend, and it was very nice. So when everything currency, matter of fact, let me pull up. I know Kenzie, you probably want to show some love too. Let me show some love to
Bro,
everything currency.
yeah,
Y'all gotta
show my
go.
dog some love.
Yeah, y'all gotta go check his channel out, man, because he's putting out some gems that other YouTubers are just not putting out at the same speed as him. So definitely go check out my boy Everything Currency. Let me make this better size screen because he talked about AVAX when it was like $5 or something like that, and he probably gonna jump in the chat and say like, excuse me, $3? No, I'm playing. But he done talked about AVAX for the low. He talked about Omi for the low. He talked about Luxo for the low. So definitely he's kind of like me where he goes into the extra worlds of other blockchains and everything. He's down for all of that. You know what I'm saying? So, but he does different stuff from what I do, which is even doper because I got somebody I could watch that's doing something completely different. So definitely check his channel out, and he's growing, bro. 3.4K. So he's growing. He's growing.
Bro,
we out here.
He gets more views than me.
Yeah.
Hey, what you talking about? Bro, get more views than me.
Yeah. I don't know if we should have shouted him out. He's gonna pass us.
Bro, he's gonna blow the water.
But Luxo is
consistent more views than me.
Luxo, I believe, is an NFT platform as well. I don't know everything about this, but people have been talking to me about Luxo for a while, and I've seen him talking about Luxo for a while. So,
bro,
I'm just putting it on the radar.
Man, Luxo's gone, bro. It's gone, dog.
Yeah, it's already.
If you look at that chart, bro, that chart looks savage, bro. And the thing, Chico Ben got us on Luxo, bro. God, I hate that. Chico Ben told us about Luxo. He Ben had a bag of Luxo, dog. And I was just like, man, I don't know about these.
Luxo's out of here. Luxo is out of here. All right, I'm happy for y'all, man, but y'all can't be putting me onto Luxo at $16, guys. Like, nah, let me not even say that because I know everybody probably just like, what? I told you at 50 cents.
I told you, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Chico got us in at like a couple of cents, bro.
Yeah, everything currency. He said he was on it before Chico. I'm pretty sure Chico saw your channel, bro. They be watching us. I know, they be watching us.
The bigger but that's where they get their content. That's part of their.
It's fine. It's a good thing. It's cool.
But it's true, bro.
But it's very true, though.
The bigger channels follow the smaller channels because they don't have the time to get into the nitty gritty like we do. We're in the nitty gritty. You know what I'm saying? They got to produce a video every day.
Yo, bro, he said Luxo going to 100 easy. So now I'm kind of FOMOing at $16, bro.
I know Chico has his stuff sitting in liquidity pool too. He has his Luxo sitting in liquidity. I remember at the time when we finally saw his bag of like Luxo, it was like $7,000, bro. It was like $7,000 worth of Luxo sitting in a liquidity pool, bro. After this pump, I haven't, bro. That was like 2020, bro, and that's like at $1 something. This bitch is, bro. I know he's eating off the liquidity pool right now, bro. I'm pissed, and it's only and the majority of the volumes on Uniswap ain't really eating off of these. But I remember when people got mad at people using Bybit links, and when the market goes up, they make money, and then when the market goes down, they make money. when you're in liquidity pools, if the market goes up, you're making money off fees. If the market's going down, you're making money off fees. So what's the
You're making
difference?
coins. That don't mean you're making money. Just be clear, bro. You in a ETH slash random coin and ETH is going down, bro, and that random coin is going down. You get extra coins. Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah, yeah.
but if it's a 10% hit, 20% hit, you know it hurts, bro.
No, no, but the fees do work, bro. I'm telling you, dog. If you get in early enough and have a significant position early enough,
yeah. If it's
bro,
a solid
staying in
project,
is
you
all you
good.
staying in is all you need to do.
Yeah, nah, if it's a solid project, you good, man. Just to put it out there for my Binance Smart Chain folks too, like Pancake is a good example of a liquidity pool you might want to be in. You can farm Pancake and you can also accumulate fees from it as well. And there's a bunch of platforms like Beefy Finance or Auto that will automatically invest your fees
I
that you
guess
get so you could compound.
rehypothecators, whatever. Is that how they call it?
Oh, you getting fancy for me, bro. That's a little too fancy for me. But
What you
that's
mean, dog?
sounds about right. What's that?
Oh, so shout out to my dog, dogelord.com, bro. My homeboy, he has his website where he makes crypto merch.
Oh, Shill
I just
Cousins
dropped
got sponsors now? No, I'm playing.
Shook Cousins got sponsors, bro. But nah, bro. I've been rocking with him for a minute. A lot of my crypto gear comes from him too.
I
So
think
this is
I think I remember watching some of your older videos. You interviewed him before.
yeah, bro. We come from the
Old
same tree.
videos.
Yeah, yeah. We come from the same tree, bro. We come from the Peter Saddington tree, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's who I
Right,
first.
right,
That's one of
right,
the first people I started watching when I first got into crypto. He
right,
don't do crypto videos no more, but you know what I'm saying? Got to.
right.
Got the
Okay,
accessories,
I might have to check.
best selling.
I might have to check one of these out. I'm cool off
Yeah,
the
bro.
Doge like that, but you know,
Bro, it's all crypto stuff. It's
yeah,
like dogelord.com, but it's all crypto stuff, bro.
yeah, I might need me a mask or something. Um, yeah. So real quick, let me just get two Binance Smart Chain potential projects out there. High risk, guys. When I say high risk, I don't mean like completely degen, but you still got to be careful because these things are new. So one of them is Um, Iron Finance. This one had just recently came out. It seems kind of like a seniorized project, but they got $27 million locked in total value in one day. So it's definitely something that I'm paying attention to. And they're already partnered with like Value DeFi. I'm paying attention to this, but I'm not in it yet. So don't just jump in because you see me talk about it, but it's something to keep your eye on. And then the other one is BSC Starter. This is supposed to be like BSC Pad, one of these launch pads, but a decentralized version of it because BSC Pad, they have control over who's able to do initial DEX offerings or whatever it is, the launch pad products. On BSC Starter, it's not like that. It's community driven. So also, I don't know the devs or anything behind this project. So even when I go into this one, because this is one I'm gonna buy tomorrow when it comes out, I'm going in light. I'm not going all in until I really see projects launch. You know what I'm saying? So just want to put those two out there for anybody that's looking for some potential BSC projects, because y'all know the cousins, they don't rock with BSC over there, man. So
Hey, at least we tell you. At least we honest with it. At least we 100%. But that's the point, bro. I be telling people like you gotta have different perspective because you could follow one influencer and then that one influencer could manipulate how you see the space completely. I know somebody was talking about in the chat, oh, BitBoy's a pump and dumper. Yeah, he could be a pump and dumper, but at the end of the day, his following is so big, he's giving people exactly what they want. They just want to see low cap altcoin gems that they can make quick money. Like literally, that's what they feel that they need to come into the space to come find. They don't want to, get into the nitty gritty of like how this stuff actually works and how you're supposed to be moving. So he's providing that service, and it shows that that's what people want because he's growing faster and faster and faster, and making all of this money to the point where it's like I can't even hate on it no more. You know, at one point I hated on it so much, and then I was just like, all right, bro, I can't even hate on them more. Make your money. We gonna see how long that lasts, because you know it can't last forever. But as long as it's a bull market, it's gonna last. And if he sticks through the next bear market, he gonna keep growing.
Shout out
Period.
to Bit Boy. That boy is here for good. What? He's
Yeah,
over. Well, he's at like 600,000 or something like that subscribers, and you know he a multi-millionaire. He out there with Graham Stephan. He's the
yeah.
yo
I saw the Grand Stefan one
straight
too.
straight up. I
I
gotta
was
put it
like,
out there.
wow.
As much as people might not want to take it as this, he is the leader when it comes to YouTubers in this crypto space. Doesn't mean you
Yeah.
have to be on his team, like, or whatever the case might be, or a fan, but he's leading the crypto space on YouTube, hands down. The man does the live stream that's like a talk show. It's like ESPN, bro, and he gets 100,000 plus views on the live stream. He's getting 200,000 views on a live stream. He's taking it to the next level. So shout out to him. And I don't have no problem with no crypto YouTuber. So I salute what he's doing. I hope he keep pushing it forward and paving the way for people like us to just come up with innovative things and really pop off. You know.
Yeah, this is the truth. Like I said, I don't agree with it. He talks about a new coin every day, but that's what people want.
And a lot of
That
people getting gains from those coins too.
but the real people who are making the most money, who have been rocking with him for a long time, who are in the chat groups, who are actually doing crypto, are doing. Bro, I remember when he brought
Right.
Akon on the show. When I saw the Akon one, I was like, all right, F it, I can't hate no more. I ain't got Akon. I ain't Akon over here. I ain't got Akon shelling his nonsense.
Oh man, for real though.
That boy is CNBC pretty much, because by the time he talks about your coin, it's already pumped 100x. But that's what people want to see. And what can you do? They gonna
Everybody
get
talk
right.
about coins, man. Who's to say the frequency
just-
in which how often people should be talking about coins? Like, oh, if it was once a week, it ain't a problem. If he was like Sheldon Evans or something like that, or if it was Chico every like other week, he probably he's not bringing out new projects every week, but like every other couple weeks he got a little something, a little
Like every
bow.
week he got a new coin, bro.
Yeah, like
It's money making season. It's at the
right,
end of the day,
right.
money making season.
You got Elio, he's putting out plenty coins, so BitBoy is just doing it all the time. And guess what? He's
That's what
600,000 up. Like, and he's the crypto millionaire. I mean, there's a few of them that's already millionaires, but he's multi-millionaire in this joint.
It's
like,
obvious he's a millionaire now.
yeah. He's like, I
Yeah,
put in
but,
500K into Cardano at 70 cents, and it was the best. I'm like, God dang. God dang, bro.
I don't know. Bro, and then seeing those videos humble me to death.
Right.
Yeah, it just
We having a little pullback.
We having a pullback right
Little some.
Oh, it got rejected. See, it got rejected right here. I was like, look, man, I gotta wake up and see this. We gotta be up here. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, I'm looking at the ETH chart. Let me go back to the Bitcoin chart. I'm sure I'm using BLX, so now I gotta go back to futures. Yeah, just tighten up and squeeze just a little bit closer. You know what I'm saying? If we come back, I want to come back down to maybe like 58.
I actually want to retest this area right here so that we can make sure that it's actual support. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah. So that's around 58, right?
Yeah, like
I mean, not 58, 48. Oh, you're saying 58. Like, I don't mean 48.
Yeah, 48 is definitely one of them. I like where we're at right now. If we could just stay around where we're at right now and kind of just test it a few times at 50, that would be wonderful, because 50 is the psychological number too. When people look in their portfolios and they see Bitcoin under 50,000 or Bitcoin over 50,000, that means two different things to them. So that don't mean support and resistance for most people that's buying Bitcoin on Cash App. You know what I'm saying?
Sure enough, don't. But yeah, that 50, dang, bro, we were just at 51. almost going up.
51.6, 51.7, like, yeah, go
Yeah,
crazy.
and now we right back down.
Yeah.
Bro, my chat is stupid, bro. I hate you guys. Cause majority of my people come from Chico, and they just going in on Bit Boy right now, but they don't care what we talking about.
Yeah.
Bit Boy ain't 39, he looks 60. Jesus. But that's what crypto does to you. You're watching it all like
Big boy
that.
39?
Yeah, bro. When a lot of these influencers, bro, they're all around our age.
I thought he
But
was
he
older than that. I mean, 39 is
nah,
is a little more reasonable than Charles Hoskinson. Your boy
is
looking,
34. And he
bro.
like 36, 37. And I'm like, Charles, you look like you ready to kill over. What you talking about?
Yo,
Yo, we
yo, Charles
yo,
Hoskinson, bro. His name itself don't sound like his age, bro.
bro, I'm like, this dude can't be no 36, 37, dog. He can't, bro. He can't.
Charles
But
is
I mean,
33, somebody said.
bro, he can't be. All right, bro. I'm looking up now. F it, bro. Y'all playing, bro.
Yo, can we do a fundraiser to get him like a good outfit, bro? We gotta get
Nah,
Charles
bro.
an outfit, bro. Like, I'm tired of the tucked in shirts, bro. Like, I'm tired of it. Your man been looking like a professor for too long, bro. I'm sorry, your man been looking like a professor for too long.
Yo, this dude is 33. Lies. Lies. This dude can't be 33, bro.
He's the same age as Chico, bro.
He's the same age as Cheek. This man.
That's why Chico be like, yo, do y'all not see who this guy is? Like that's why Chico really don't like him. Cause he's like, nah, this guy's a fraud, bro. Yeah.
I mean, Vitalik's younger, bro. So Vitalik's younger. I get, but Vitalik
Vitalik
doesn't
don't
move
move like him, bro.
he doesn't move like Charles.
Vitalik don't move like him, bro.
Nah, he 46. Bro's in the chat like Ross Clot. Why I had to be that way too.
Oh man.
Bro, this can't be real, bro. This can't be his real. Bro, he can't be, dog. Bro, this been talking about he's my sister's age, dog. Stop it.
Bro, can he just, wear a
How old
little
is Vitalik?
t-shirt? Little t-shirt, we get him a fitted.
Vitalik's 27, bro.
Yeah, I know Vitalik is around our age, actually around our age.
Yeah. Vitalik younger than me.
Yeah, he younger than me
What's
too.
good? Yeah, what's good, y'all? What's good? I know y'all getting in the chat.
But Vitalik don't move strange. Like Vitalik moves strange, but not like an old head. Vitalik, nobody thinks Vitalik's old. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like,
But Charles, bro, Charles 33. Well, that's. I'm telling you, man, that man looks sickly.
bro, there was no way in my head that Charles was younger than Brad Garlinghouse, bro. Like, there was no way. Like,
I thought they were the same age, but
yeah, I thought they were the same.
That goes to show you, bro. Like, just because we're here in our 30s, bro, we're the ones about to make this bread off of this. Easy facts. But we got a couple more minutes. We're probably gonna end this in like. We've been on for an hour and 23 minutes right now.
I'm ready to end it.
I'll give it like 5. Oh, okay. I was gonna give them like 5 more minutes.
Yeah,
Let them chill, whatever they
all right.
in.
Yeah, I don't have much more other projects that I'm looking at. I seen
Yeah, I'm being, like I said, I'm being real conservative. Just because the fees are making me real conservative and not moving too much.
yeah, which is a good thing. Just hodl some of the blue chips and not move around too crazy. But yeah, I think Ethereum's really gonna get bullish with the upgrade on the way, and when that really pulls through, a lot of these competitors, if they don't have their smart contracts live, like they getting left in the dust, bro. If Cardano don't have their smart contracts live by then, and Ethereum does this upgrade, It's over. I mean, it's already over.
I want to see what the upgrade really does. But someone in the chat asked, can we show the chart that we haven't topped out yet? This is like another rainbow chart which goes off of logarithmic curves and whatnot. And it's pretty good at calling tops and whatnot. And right now, you guys can see we're still in the what is it? We're in the light orange phase. So is this a bubble? We're essentially in the is this a bubble phase, and then it goes to FOMO intensifies, and then it goes to seriously sell, and then it goes to maximum bubble territory. So right now we're not in the maximum bubble territory for now, compared to 2017.
Yeah, I think we still got a long way to go. We got more airdrops supposed to be coming. We got V3s coming out for like Uniswap. We got, man, there's plenty of stuff that still gotta happen, man. Like this year is really gonna be a year to remember, man. I really think so. And I think that the more this year develops, hey, look, when Square, back to what we talked about in the beginning, when Square invested into Bitcoin, they put that 50 mil in around 10,000. You seen what happened after that. Whole industry followed. Market went crazy. Bitcoin just been on a tear ever since. And who knows what's about to happen? Your man just dropped the NFT or whatever. Who knows what might happen? We might start getting some real institutional love in the public for Ethereum as well. So
yeah, I'm ready for that. Yeah,
yeah,
they
me too.
don't really seem like they want to show coins. So I guess one person asks what are my thoughts on Monero. I think Monero is the privacy standard in cryptocurrency. That's for a fact. So if you know how to get Monero without giving up your identity, good job. You're using crypto like you're supposed to be using crypto. People shilling the Telcoin. I know people on their Telcoin.
I don't even know what the point of Telcoin is.
Price go up. That's all that matters. What are you talking about?
That's a fact. But it's been going crazy though.
I ain't gonna lie, that thing is just sitting now. It didn't
Look at
pop
that.
off and it's just hovering like.
You hit a year on that? You hit the year?
I saw the year, bro.
That's looking stupid. Yo, Telcoin went crazy.
It went crazy USD. But when I be looking at these charts, I really do be having like the USD, the Bitcoin, and the I don't usually do the ETH one, but I do the Bitcoin one for sure. And just it's when they say things priced in Bitcoin, they just be going to zero. They really do. They don't be lying, bro. Things priced in Bitcoin, they be going to zero, bro. But yeah, right now it looks like accumulation for sure.
Yeah.
It looks like accumulation. It's been doing accumulation since what?
Hey,
February?
Young Black CEO, right? Wasn't that Telcoin?
Really?
Yeah, Young Black dude. He got the Killmonger cut and everything. Young dude from Africa.
You're lying.
You ain't know that?
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, he one of them guys, man. Let's see about Telcoin. I don't even know where to find him at, but yeah. Yeah, he was all up on CNBC and all that doing interviews during the last bull run or whatever, and it was like a penny. I think it was like a whole penny. You know, so they haven't even hit all time highs, but there's much more circulating supply, obviously.
Well, I'm seeing this big picture of important people. I don't see no young black African kid in this picture of important people. But I'm just on their Twitter.
Yeah, his name is Claude. Yeah, just Telcoin founder. I just Googled that and that was it.
Oh.
Yeah, he got the crazy Killmonger cut.
Stop, bro.
Yo, if you get the LinkedIn, bro, what's this it's gonna say Claude, some African name, and then
Man, LinkedIn trying to get me to log in. I ain't log, and now they want to take me back. I hate when these
oh,
websites.
they doing you dirty. They doing you dirty.
They're doing me dirty right now, man.
Yeah, let me see if I can
But all
find.
right, kids. We got about like a minute left. We about to end the stream real quick. Any final words? Low key, any final words, bro?
Um,
He not the
nah,
CEO
man.
no more. Like, that's what I'm about to say. There's like, it doesn't seem like he the CEO no more.
Oh, it's over then. We not buying no Telcoin. Everybody sell coin. No, I'm playing.
You stupid. But
Damn, he got Killmonger for real, bro. Wow, they did him dirty, bro. They did him dirty, bro.
where can everybody find you, Low?
Hey, just come to the Low Key Money YouTube. That's LOKEY Money on YouTube. You know, we do the Shill stream, which is very similar to this, and just a couple standalone videos, high quality standalone videos, I must say. Um, but yeah, I've been slacking a little bit for the past month, not going too crazy, but glad I did the stream today because it kind of got me over that. All right, finally gonna do it again, and you should expect some content pretty soon. So come check your boy out.
All right,
And
bet.
for anybody that don't know, join the Shill Squad Telegram group. Link is in the description.
Bet. But yeah, guys, y'all already know. Thank you guys for coming through the chat. Thank you guys for all the tips. You know what I'm saying? Somebody said stay broke, then more tell from me. Hey, bro, these boys are savages. But yeah, appreciate everybody coming through. You know, it's always a place for you guys to come, talk, show your coins, ask questions, peace, love, all that. Other than that, check me out next time. Take it easy. Peace. Yeah.
Peace.